Tonight, Andrew Bailey is renewing his call for Kim Gardner to step down. Good evening. I'm Mike Bush.
And I'm Ann Allred. Bailey says Gardner is neglecting her duties as the city's top prosecutor with her enrollment in a graduate program at St. Louis University. 5 on your side's Laura Barczewski joins us with the latest developments on this allegation. Laura.
Mike and Ann, Attorney General Andrew Bailey says despite Gardner's attempts to get the Quo Warranto case thrown out, it's still moving forward with a new judge. And today his office submitted more subpoenas to get evidence on the latest claim connected to her nursing school classes. According to St. Louis University's website, St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner is enrolled as a nursing student. A spokesperson from her office also confirmed it in a statement saying, quote, she continues to stay current with classes at St. Louis University to add to her training and advance her mission at the Circuit Attorney's office. Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey says this goes against Missouri statutes.
She's breaking the law by willfully refusing to discharge her official obligations. Going to nursing school is not one of her official obligations, and she's missing court and failing to discharge her official duties, at least in part because she's doing other things.
The statement from Gardner's office goes on to say any suggestion that she is not fully committed to her duties as circuit attorney is blatantly false.
And what's happening today, I have a law license, I have a nursing license, I'm a funeral director. What they're doing is they want to make sure they ruin me, so this is the night ride, so each and every one of y'all see. Never run for office, never be in this position and do the right thing because they'll take you out like Kim Gardner. But guess what? Can't take me out. 5 on your side trial analyst Scott Rosenblum says with the caseload they have, he doesn't see how she would have time for that.
One of the prosecutors that didn't go on record said that certainly explains her non-availability and her lack of involvement. And I certainly think it does. I mean, being a sitting prosecutor is more than a full-time job. And to go to nursing school full-time is baffling to say the least.
The number of people with a law license in her office continues to drop every day. It's now down to 20.
Well, I think it's more significant the number of prosecutors handling serious felonies and homicides. I think it's down to almost none. And I understand that she gave a rather fiery speech over the weekend that said she's not going anywhere. Even if she's the only one, well, she just may get her wish.
One of her assistant circuit attorneys, known as Cy, is the last remaining prosecutor left handling several hundred violent felony crimes in Gardner's office. According to online court documents, Judge Thomas Chapman is the new judge appointed to oversee the case trying to remove Gardner from office, which still has a scheduled trial date of September 25th.